They lived a girl, Amrita. Amrita loved plants and trees very much. The village took great care of plants, trees and animals. The people of this village remembered what their elders used to tell them. Plants and animals can survive without us, but we cannot survive without them. Oh, all the trees are my friends, to whom I can choose today to breathe. Friends, you are strong and beautiful. You care for us. Thank you, tree. I love you very much. Give your strength to me also. Like Amrita, the other children also had their specialty. Good morning, tree. I love you very much. Come, we will all pray for the horse in the shade of the tree. Time went by. Amrita grown up, she got married and had children. Oh, ministers, all of you come. Ministers, you should build a beautiful palace for me. So go to the village and cut all the trees for wood to build the king's palace. Go immediately. Yes, your majesty. Come, we will go to cut the tree. One day the minister came to cut the tree. Amrita saw the villagers. Oh, some strangers are coming to cut the tree. I won't allow them to cut my tree. Mommy, I also don't allow them to cut the tree. Mommy, I also don't allow them to cut the tree. We won't allow you to cut the tree. Allow us to cut the tree. It is in order. If you are not allowed to cut the tree, we will kill you. No! If we die also, we won't allow you to cut the tree. Kill them! Kill them! Amrita and her children, some of the villagers died. Oh, your majesty, the villagers do not allow us to cut the tree, so we killed them. I could not believe this, that people gave up their life for trees. I am going to the village and going to see. Oh, people have died for trees. People are taking much care of trees. I should order the minister that they should not cut single trees. Ministers, all of you come. Ministers, from today onwards, even a single tree should not be cut. Yes, your majesty. Even today, almost 300 years later, the people of this area called Bisnoy continue to protect plants and trees. Let us all take the oath to protect the trees. Plant more trees. Trees are the beauties of the trees are the feathers for many birds and animals. We can't live without plants and animals.